Okay, quick question. When someone opens your product page, do they buy or do they leave? In 2025, Shopify merchants sold about 378 billion worth of products. But most stores still only get about 2 or 3 for every 100 visits. And on mobile, more than half of people leave if the page takes more than 3 seconds to load. So ad product is not just a button. Your title, photos, price, and settings decide if people trust you. In this video, I'll add a product to Shopify in 2026, step by step. I'll show you the exact field to fill, the ones you can skip, and the mistakes that stop sales. By the end, your product will be live and ready to sell. So let's go. Alright, we are inside Shopify. Your store might be empty right now, that's normal. We are going to add your first product right away. For that, go to Products on the left. Now click Add Product. Now we are at the product page. This title field is not just a name. This is how people understand your product in 1 second. Let's say we are selling wallet. So the title is like leather wallet. This is a bad title. That tells me nothing. A good title is simple and specific. Here is an example like slim RFID leather wallet holds 8 cards plus cash. Let me explain why this title works. Because it says what it is, it adds a clear feature, it gives a real detail, and it shows the variant. So even if someone is moving fast, they get it. Now the description. This is where most beginners write one boring line and leave. Don't do that. Your description should answer 3 questions. What is it? Why should someone trust it? And why should someone buy? Make sure you highlighted the key selling features on your description. Don't forget to add keywords. Always use bullet points. Notice that what I did, I used short lines, simple words and clear bullets. That is easy to read. That is also easy to read on mobile. Alright, so quick note. This title and description style is exactly what we build for our clients at Ecomclips. If you don't want to spend hours writing, formatting, and guessing, our team can set up your Shopify store, build product pages, improve speed, and make the site look professional. No pressure, just saying it because a clean product page saves you time and helps you sell more. Alright, back to the setup. Next, photos and videos. People don't buy what they can't see. Click Add Media and upload your images. Here is a simple checklist for a wallet. First is front view, then back view, inside view. You can add close-up images as well, and definitely we will use lifestyle shots. Don't forget about size comparison as well, and keep your images clean, so use bright lighting, plain background, same style across all photos. Now one more thing, keep file sizes small. If your images are heavy, your page loads slow and people will leave. After loading, click Save. Now alt text. Most sellers skip it, but you shouldn't. Alt text helps with Google search and helps people who use screen readers, and it helps SEO as well. Now click on the image and add a short description like black slim RFID leather wallet front view. Do this for image, it takes 2 minutes. Now pricing. For the wallet, let's set up the price $39.99. If you want it to look like a sale, add a compare at price. For example, our price is $39.99. Here I set compare price at $59.99. Now it shows a discount and people understand the value faster. Also, check your tax setting. If you're not sure, keep it default and confirm later with your account or local rules. Now came to the inventory. If you track stock, turn on track quantity. Let's say we have 50 units. SEO is optional, but I like adding it because it keeps things organized. Use a simple SEO like this one. That means wallet, RFID, slim, black. If you don't have SKUs yet, it's okay. You can add them later. Now shipping time. If it's a physical product, check this is a physical product. Add weight. For our wallet, 0.25 kg is perfect. If you ship to other countries, Shopify might ask for country of origin, HS code. For the leather wallet, the HS code is often under 4202.31. It can vary by material and country. If you're unsure, search it based on your exact product or ask your shipping company. Now come to the variants. If your wallet comes in different colors, click Add Option. Option name should be color and option value would be black, brown, whatever your wallet color is. Now Shopify create variants, and this is important. You can set different images for each color. Do that if you can. So when someone clicks brown, they see the brown wallet photos. Now if your product has sizes, it's the same thing. Now we came to the important part, which is SEO. Scroll until you see search engine listing, click edit. For the page title, keep it clear like what I'm doing here right now. And for the meta description, write one simple line that sounds human. Now, the final step. On the right side, set product status. If you're still working, then you should choose draft. If you're ready to sell today, you can set it active. Then choose your sales channel. Online store, Facebook, Instagram, Google, whatever you use. Now hit save. And after you save, always click preview and check it on your phone because most buyer will see it on phone. And that's it. Your product is now inside Shopify, set up like a pro. Most sellers don't lose sales because the product is bad. They lose sales because the product page is weak. If you want, you can share your product page link and I will check the title, description, and I will suggest you. So if you need help from us, just send us mail at info@ecomclips.com. We will get back to you ASAP. Like the video if it helped. Subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.